everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here for the planning for the week of June 29th through July 5th. This is in my new Recollections planner, so it'll be interesting to see how this goes. I have not tried to lay down any stickers in the weekly spreads for this kit yet, but hopefully it'll all work out. I pulled this kit from Planner One Love. It's called Happy 4th. I might, did not cut out the Happy 4th part, but I might, we'll see. So it's a 2-page spread, all these full boxes, little things, bunch of useful stuff, headers. I love this bottom washi. Typically for 4th of July, we would be going to visit my family. They live near the beach, so this is a perfect kit, even if we don't get to go visit this year. It'll hopefully make us feel a little happier. Okay, so my plan is to put down the bottom washi, the headers. I'm going to do it as today blank to do, just like it is here. I'm going to stick down these underneath the to-dos. And I'm probably going to stick down the weekend banner. And then I will come back and we can do all the fun bits. All right, there is where we stand right now. Everything fits pretty well from what I've seen so far. I had to cut off the part of the bottom washi. It is really wide, so I don't know if it is just something specific to this planner. There is quite a bit of space up here, but there always has been, or if it's just that this is really wide washi and it just doesn't fit down here. I tore a couple headers, but there's also like these little bits of deco, so I feel like I might be able to like sprinkle it and cover it up in the end. I think it'll be fine. That's a me error, not a problem with the kit. All right, so moving on to the full boxes. This will be interesting with this sidebar. We'll have to see. So my plan is to skip this one with the stars and the one with like the little patriotic hearts, because I feel like those can kind of just be used whenever. My plan is to put the sandy ones on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And then, ooh, that's not actually gonna work. I'm gonna put it on Saturday, Thursday, Tuesday, and then the full box, I think, is gonna be my plan actually. And then I'll use, so that'll be these 4. And I'll use those 4 for the other spots. Maybe I'll just use this as a, yeah, I think because I want this on 4th of July. So I'm going to put this on Saturday. As you can see, everything fits perfectly. So that is great. And then this one kind of goes with that one in terms of look. So I'm going to put this on Tuesday. If I can get everything to let go. All these scrippy scraps from me, like hand cutting everything. I'm just going to use my scissors to trim this part. I didn't cut it very well. Stick this on Tuesday. Okay. Then that gives me, one of these will be Thursdays and one of them will be the quote box. I guess I'll use this for the quote because this like looks more like whatever version of 4th of July we're going to actually get. So I think I'm going to use my same thing I've always done and line it up on the right side, and then it just kind of hangs off towards the left. That seems to fit still the same way. I got a little nervous, but I think we're good. So then this one will be for Thursday. All right. Let's see. Okay, we'll come back to that one. Apparently it does not want to participate yet. So I think that I want this one on Friday. The day I would be most tolerant to fireworks, other than actual 4th of July. Which means this one is going to go on Wednesday. Then I think I'm going to put this one on Monday. There we go. And then this one can go on Sunday. That leaves me these 2 extra boxes because a lot of Planner One Love kits come with 10 full boxes. I don't think I'm going to end up using either of them this week, but I will just save them for later. All right, there we go. That looks really cute, actually. I'm going to add like the little deco scattering when we get towards the end. So let's move on to the sidebar. So first I'm going to use the This Week. Let me see. Put that in like so. And then I'm going to use 2 habit trackers, and I'm going to use the 2 that are like the most American, I guess. The most patriotic, because they're, you know, kind of fun, and also because they don't make very good leftovers. All right, so there's one. There's the other one. I think this week I would like to track probably like healthy lifestyle. And Instagram, I think, is going to be the 2 things I track. I might end up pulling out an Instagram sticker after I'm done filming to add here, because I forgot to pull those, but that's fine. Okay, so let's see. I'm then going to use so many scripty scripts. So Planner One Love really stuffs things into our kits, which is great, but it does make it a little bit harder for those of us that hand cut things to not end up with like scraps everywhere. All right, so I'm going to stick in this one that says hydrate, and I'm going to use this hydration tracker. I'm going to keep the weekly tracker for later. There's not space for both. I think this one will be good. So there's that. Okay, so that is everything that needs to go in the sidebar. I have space for like half a full box or some deco. This one doesn't really fit because I started everything at the top of this section. So it's a little bit too tall. I'm going to use it anyway and just trim it shorter. So I cut it off literally like right above the bow. So I don't know, maybe I'll stick the bow somewhere else because it's kind of cute. All right, so that is the sidebar. I'll just hide the bow like right in here. Sure, that looks cute. Okay, that's the sidebar done. So now let's move on to day to day. So I realized I didn't show you any of the washi I pulled for this. So these two are from Michaels. That one is from AC Moore. This is AliExpress, Scotch, Amazon, Michaels, and Dollar Tree, I think. So the reason I'm mentioning this now is my plan. I'm trying to figure out which one I want to use. Maybe I'll use this guy. Sure. So my plan is to make like a little washi flag and then use these circles for the 4 days that I actually work during the week. So I'm just gonna snip a little washi flag, and I think I'm just gonna tear it then. This is actually torn too long, so I'll just get rid of it. So my plan is to stick this little guy like that, and then put in one of these for work. That fills in a lot of space, but I think it'll be fine. Can I still fit a half box underneath? I'd have to kind of squish the half box in. I can fit these guys for sure. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna end up using those 2 half boxes. Those 3 I would definitely like to use though. So I'm gonna do that for the 4 days that I'm working. So we get the 3rd off for the holiday, which is great. I'm excited to have a little bit of time off, relax a little bit. I feel like that looks cute. If I need to like lift something up to stick in a half box, I can totally do it. If I need to use undo, I can do that. So not a big deal. It's Wednesday, and then last day will be Thursday. This planner's so flat right now because there's not a million stickers in it. Anyone else ever feel like kind of weird when you start the new planner and you're like, what is this? That's kind of crooked, but I think it'll be fine. I'll just cover it up. Oh yeah, still looks cute. Don't even need to fix it. All right, so that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I need to do my film and upload on Monday, but I kind of don't know if I want to use a half box for that. So I think I'm going to plan on putting it in here, and if I change my mind, I will worry about that at that point. All right, so now we are all the way on Friday. I am going to use this guy right here. So I just want to mark that this is a day off for us. So I have in my leftovers, I think I'm going to use this one. I think this comes from Cavern Studio, I believe. I'm trimming it with scissors instead of my slice tool for reasons that I don't really know the answer to. But whatever, it's fun. Alright, so there's that, and then I'm going to stick I like the little stars. That's might be too much. Yeah, maybe we'll just leave it. Alright, so there's that, and then for Saturday, I'm going to use the other one of these boxes. I know they're right next to each other, but I think it's going to be fine. Put that in, and then I have in this Happy Planner book a set of holidays, which I never use. So my goal is to actually use them this year. So I'm just going to pull the one for Independence Day. Stick it right down. Perfect. That's really cute. All done with that. Okay, so that is literally my plans. Very quiet week. Not a lot going on. I'm going to take some of this deco and kind of stick it to some of these spots, I think. Some of this bigger stuff I think I'm going to stick up here. There's also these USAs. Sure, we'll call that good for now. All right, so I have a lot of stuff to work with for the rest of the week. Not a lot filled in. I don't think I'm even going to write anything in right now because I just have so little going on. But yeah, my pre-planning is all done. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I love how it turned out. I have a ton of leftovers. 2 full boxes, some headers, little things, ton of flags, little deco up here, little deco up here, habit trackers, a quarter box or a third box or something, weekly box, tons of checklists. So I have tons of stuff left that I can use in my leftovers for future spreads. But I really like how this kit turned out. It's very patriotic for 4th of July, so that was definitely fun. Going through the kit, if I don't mention it, it comes from the kit from Planner One Love. This is from Piper Paper Company, Creative Cavern Studio. All this washi is from AliExpress. My Planner Life UK, Courses Creations. This is a leftover, maybe from Plannerology Studio. This is from Happy Planner. I think this is Amazon and Michael's for the washi tape. That's pretty much it. We got to go to the zoo. There's like scheduled time visits. My cat injured himself. So overall, quite the week. Anyway, let me know what kits you're using for summer. I am really getting into summer kits now for the rest of July. So let me know what you're using. As always, please like and subscribe below. I would really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see finished and in progress spreads. I tag all the shops, all that kind of stuff. And until next time, bye.